Hello, I'm Alethea Price, Boyle County Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Welcome to the video series, Cooking Skills for Teens and Tweens. This program is in partnership with the Boyle County Public Library. Each week on Thursday at 4 p.m., a new video will be released online. Each video has a kit to go with it. You can pick your kit up for free at either the Boyle County Public Library or the Boyle County Extension Office. This week, we're going to talk about proper food handling procedures to prevent foodborne illness. Did you know that 1 in 6 Americans will get sick from food poisoning this year alone? Food poisoning not only sends 128,000 Americans to the hospital each year, it can also have long-term health consequences. Following the 4 simple steps, clean, separate, cook, and chill, can help keep you and your family safe from food poisoning at home. The first step in food safety is keeping everything clean. Wash hands, utensils, and surfaces often. Illness-causing germs can survive in many places around your kitchen, including your food, hands, utensils, and cutting boards. Wash your hands the right way. Use plain soap and water and scrub the backs of your hands between your fingers under your fingernails for at least 20 seconds. Rinse your hands, then dry them with a clean towel. Wash your hands often, especially during a few of these key times like before, during, and after preparing food, after handling raw meat, poultry, seafood, or their juices or uncooked eggs, before eating, after using the restroom, after touching garbage, before and after caring for someone who's sick, or anything of that nature. Create a safe cooking space. Wash countertops, cooking surfaces, and insides of the refrigerator, freezer, and microwave frequently with hot, soapy water. Wash cutting boards, knives, and other cooking utensils in hot, soapy water or the dishwasher after each use. Wash fruits and vegetables under cold running water, but do not wash meat, poultry, or eggs. The second step in food safety is to separate, don't cross-contaminate. Raw meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, and flour should never come into contact with produce or any food that is ready to eat. Keep them separate while shopping, storing, and cooking. Use separate cutting boards and plates for produce, meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. Use one cutting board for fresh produce or other foods that won't be cooked before they're eaten, and another cutting board for raw meat, poultry, or seafood. Replace them when they are worn. Wash them well with soap and water after each use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to find the link to a survey in the description section. Each week we'll have a drawing of those who complete the survey. Whoever wins the drawing wins a grand prize. Join us next week for our continued conversation on how to prevent foodborne illness by using good food safety practices.